Mhm. Dami eh. Magtatanim ako ng alugbate. Para masaya lahat. Right? Masaya. Magtatanim ako ng alugbate. There are times in my life she knows thinking over. Yan oh. Sana mabuhay naman yung matanim ko dito. Yan. Talong ba yan? Sana nga. Ano yan? Ang aking mga yes, aking saluyot. Sige, mabuhay kayo. You make me happy. Lalo na yung mga talong ko. Lalo na yung, especially may eggplant. Po, sarap na. Ang aking may bunga na din. Ang sili ko. Napansigang. Daming bunga. Ano kaya kung magtatanim ako ngayon? Para okay. Right? Pero kailangan ko ng gloves. Kuha muna ako ng pang-gloves. Hi, hello. Dopender Pal. C, how are you? Dipo Velayodam. Thank you so much for being my number one top fans. Yes, thank you so much. Oh, you love plants also? Me too. I will gonna separate some of, I will gonna plant some of, I know you know Malabar spinach, right? Spinach. Dopender palsy. You know spinach, Malabar spinach. Thank you so much, Dipo Valiyudan. Thank you so much. Yes. I love it. Thank you so much for your message, for chatting me. And also, Dopian de Parsi, thank you so much for chatting me. Maybe I will try to plant other. Yeah, I will gonna change. Thank you so much, guys. I will get my gloves. I will get gloves. Kali. Come here. That's why I love plants, because I can only plant